Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change region or country on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Instagram and open your profile and tap on this three line icon to the right hand corner of the screen and tap on settings, tap on account, scroll down and tap on switch account type, and here you will need to tap on switch to business account and tap on switch, and after that open your profile again and tap on edit profile, scroll down and tap on contact options and tap on business address. And now here you will be able to add your new city or town. Also you will be able to add your zip code here, and after that tap on done, and that's how you will be able to change your region or country on Instagram. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.